This section we will describe as a type of backlight. As you know, LCD itself cannot produce light. It either has to depend on surrounding light or man-made light for us to see the LCD. Right now, we have three kinds of backlight. But right now, and the LED backlight is a dominant technology, and the EL and the CCFL, it is used very rare right now. But we just mentioned the name here. What is the LED display? The backlight. The LED, that means a light emitting diode. Actually, it is a booming technology. For EL display, have the picture like this. It is the electroluminescence. For CCFL, it is a cold cathode fluorescent light. Actually, this kind of CCFL is pretty much like the light bulb we use in office. It is a white one. But right now we really used in LCD now. What is the advantage and disadvantage of the three kind of backlights? For LED backlight, you can see from here. Actually, this is a LCD and this is a backlight. If we separate that, so you can see this is a LED backlight. Actually, the LED you can see from here. You can see that is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs there. So the LED like small lamps. So it produce lighting, and then it will distribute it all over the backlight. So we have area or edge lighting. So this LCD, this backlight is from edge. We call it edge lighting. Some LEDs actually lighting from the bottom, so we call it area because it is like a dot matrix area type. So we call it area backlight. If properly used, LED can have a very long lifetime. It has 50,000 hours. That is more than 5 years. So it is driving very simple. We can just use a battery, DC. Battery is a DC, so it is not a city power to drive it. So it also have a low power consumption and a lot of available color. So like a yellow-green color, white color, blue, amber, red, orange, green, or even RGB. RGB means red, green, blue. That is in one LED. Okay. But for EL backlight, the advantage is that it's like a film, very thin, but it is has a shorter life. It's just 4,000 hours, and it need AC to drive. That means that you have to convert it from battery, to AC to drive it. So it will produce interferes to the electronics. But it is a very thin. Sometimes, like EL use a lot of watches because a watch need to be very thin. And available color is blue, white, and yellow-green. Okay. For CCFL backlight, it is just like the office light tube. It produces a very high brightness. That is advantage. Originally, most of the CCFL used for large screen, for example, LCD TVs or LCD monitors. It provides a pretty uniform and high brightness white color. Yeah. So for CCFL, normally it just produce a white color. it has a high brightness and excellent lighting characteristics. It is have a low power consumption. Have the normally for bigger display TV monitors, available color only white. So the service life is 15 to 20 thousand hours. So from here we can see the LED is a booming technology. Right now, more than 99% of our products are designed in LED backlight.